out for a mountain bike ride today on an absolutely gorgeous spring afternoon. With the temperatures breaking out into the low 60s and no chance for rain, it was a great time to get out for one of my first bike rides of the season. Today I'm following the Wilkeson-to-Carbonado trail, an old railroad cut between the towns of Wilkerson and Carbonado, Washington. The trail curves around the hilly terrain between the towns, passing through mostly undeveloped and forested areas. It felt quite isolated almost the entire ride, and I passed no one else today out on the trail. I started my ride from the small community of Wilkeson, a former coal mining town known for its rough ways in the late 1800s. At its peak, over 3,000 people lived in Wilkeson, mining coal and sandstone from the surrounding Cascade foothills. Today, Wilkeson is a much smaller community of less than 500 people, with a few restaurants and numerous sites on the National Register of Historic Places. Look for the Wilkerson Arch at the end of this video. I made my way south towards the town of Carbonado, another town that sprung up during the economic boom in the Carbon River Valley in the late 1800s. Carbonado, like Wilkerson, is a former coal mining company town, which underwent significant shrinkage as the economic boom passed. Carbonado is now a residential community for around 700 people. Both Wilkeson and Carbonado lie along the road into the Carbon River area of Mount Rainier National Park, a less visited entrance to the park as compared to the other access points. If you find yourself visiting the Carbon River area of the national park, these two towns provide an excellent glimpse at the history of the Carbon River Valley as you make your way into the park. I'll have to capture the history and feeling of these towns in another video. Today, we're on a bike ride. Well, end of the line today, I guess. Turn it around here. It's pretty clearly blocked off as private property there. Kind of odd on the map, it shows that it goes through. Looks like the trail's just all the way down into Carbonado. But we'll take that as the sign on the ground and turn around here. All right, back to Wilkeson. Yeah, this trail is just absolutely sublime. Old decommissioned railroad cut. Oh, one sec. A little rocky there. A little tough to ride the bike one-handed. I think I'll put the phone away and bike through the puddles. Make it a little muddy and splashy as we go downhill here. Beautiful day out here. This is an absolutely spectacular bike ride. Haven't passed a single person. Mostly it's just dirt and mud. Not even paved trail or graveled trail. It's the old railroad cut, so not too steep and a bit isolated. This is nice. It's about to turn back to asphalt, where it's covered in moss and looks pretty cool. The section of trail close to Wilkeson is asphalted as it goes up the hill behind the town skate park. After the trail crosses a private road about a quarter mile up the hill, it turns to dirt, making for an easy mountain bike ride, but not something you would want to take your road bike on. Coming on into Wilkerson. Oh yeah. There's the historic Wilkeson Town Arch, crossing over the road heading into Mount Rainier National Park. Thanks for watching. Please press like if you enjoyed going along with me on a bike ride through the Cascade foothills. Subscribe to the Gravel Bound channel for more videos visiting and exploring the less traveled areas of Washington State and the Pacific Northwest.